Yeah, actually, I think the network of the future is already being prepared today. What we are doing at Orange is currently we are building a new international network, which is really focused on the keyword that was mentioned by Rolf and Elisabetta, is about disaggregating equipment from the software on the one hand, and disaggregating the different layers from the infrastructure and the network layer, which is fully independent from the services. And the services will be really modular, based on network functions virtualized, that will be used by our service factories to build their own services and to deliver those services in a very timely manner. So we talk about being able to deploy a service in a few days instead of months. So it's really a change in paradigm. So this is going to be a reality in 2023 already, and this network will really coming back to the latency that was mentioned by Rolf. We'll be able to deliver a very short latency. We talk about 10 milliseconds for 80% of our customers, 5 milliseconds to any cloud. So this is really a powerful platform to build the services of the future. I guess I fully agree with what Elisabetta has just said. We just need to feel the sense of urgency of doing that, because of course this is our role in historically is to interconnect together and to interconnect systems which are heterogeneous. That's what we do, and that we do well in the past, but now we need to do it faster, and we need to do it more globally, because this is what is driving the digital transformation of the world is cloud, and cloud is global, and cloud is fast, cloud is simple. So this is what we need. We don't need to change the role which is ours, but we need to do it faster. And to do it faster, we really need indeed to automate, to interface with more standard APIs and standard systems. We need to do it with our own roadmap, but we need to do it. And I hear sometimes that we say that if we go to this network as a service model, this is creating a basis for more commoditization of connectivity. And that is true. That's true, but and we need to find, at the same time we build this connectivity as a service, we need to define what will be our value tomorrow, but we cannot wait for having this value proposition to build the basics. And so the paradox we have is that we need to take the risk of commoditization if we want to remain relevant and don't repeat the history of voice and RCS that we have all seen in the past, where we have lost our relevance and we have left to other players the role of building those new ways of communicating. The question we have is to answer is not to guarantee the quality between the edge and the edge, and that was a discussion we had last week. But really to from the end user to the end user, and the edge will not be in the hands of the end user for every application. And we see, for example, you were mentioning metaverse, Rolf. Metaverse is clearly the intelligence will be in the edge, but we need to guarantee the experience until the end user. So that really we need to think our networks already now to be able to monitor the quality of service, but also to deliver quality of service on demand, because every application will not need the same level of quality. And for sure, we have the capacities in our networks, or we will have to be able to manage the quality based on a per user, on a per usage, on a per service mode. And this is something where we need to invest right now. the service model of tomorrow will probably be a more modular, disaggregated, right? It's the right word. And probably also, as we talk about aggregating networks, we will probably have to think about more aggregation of services, aggregation of content. The value of the customer relationship is really an asset for us as telcos, and we need to leverage. We've tried to do it in the past, but this is really key for tomorrow. Is really to be able to leverage this relationship, our go-to markets with these customers, and increase, I would say, the scope of what we offer to them, and the modularity of what we offer to them. Because we know that our industry is organized with those bodies, standardized bodies, industry bodies, leaders, global leaders forum, and this has worked in the past, and we have demonstrated our ability to collaborate, to standardize, and to bring new things in the market. But the question now is really about the speed, and we've shared the urgency, and that was one of the discussion we had yesterday in the GLF, is how do we get to speed? How do we accelerate our rhythm? We all know that standardization in the telecom is a long process, and so how can we fast track and bring the steps that are needed to accelerate the market, the industry transformation? That's our challenge.